Welcome to The Circuit. I'm your host, Omar Lewis. In Star Trek, how many times did Captain Kirk demand a last-second Hail Mary from his chief engineer?
Scotty, I need warp speed in 3 minutes or we're all dead.
3 years ago, during Operation Warp Speed, engineers were given a seemingly impossible task: produce 300 million doses of a safe, effective vaccine in record time. But 4 months in, things weren't going so well. Though Pfizer-BioNTech's vaccine would soon be the first to get FDA approval, the first engineering trial was an absolute and utter failure. Engineers eventually found a solution, and the company produced 50 million vaccines by the end of 2020 and 1.3 billion by the end of 2021. President Biden called it a second miracle after the miracle of the vaccine itself. Using nanomedicine, AstraZeneca and Cornell University engineers are working on a hit-and-run drug that could eradicate gastric cancer. Researchers found silica nanoparticles called CDOTs, which are half the size of antibodies and can carry 10 times as much cancer-killing medicine. When injected into the body, CDOTs can find and destroy tumor cells that can safely pass through the kidney without adding extra stress to other organs.
The potential is enormous. If we are successful in oncology, there's no stopping what's going to happen with the CDOTs.
With Wiesner's company Elucida Oncology, their research is currently in human clinical trials. According to recent polls, nearly a third of Americans have at least one tattoo. But what if a tattoo could also help you stay healthy?
One of the troubles of being a tattoo technologist is finding willing test subjects. And when it came time to test this tattoo ink, I thought it best not to torture my poor graduate students. So I decided to tattoo a couple of spots on my own arm instead.
In the future, tattoos could tell you it's time to reapply sunscreen. Carson Bruns of the University of Colorado is using nanotechnology to engineer tattoo ink that would turn blue when exposed to UV light and go away when sunscreen is applied. He's also looking into temperature-sensitive ink that would reveal colored bars when the person is running a fever. That's all for this week. If you like our content, be sure to follow us at Circuit News TV.